So if the patient has regained consciousness, we will now do the recovery position. So first, we're going to take the hand of the patient that is nearest to us and put it or position it like this. And then from the farthest hand, we will need to put it across the patient's chest and the back of the palm of his hand into his cheek. And then after that, the leg that is farthest to us, we will need to flex it. And then slowly or gently roll over the patient. And then we will make sure to elevate the patient's chin in order to allow for proper airway or breathing.
And what else? Why do you turn it to side?
So this is also to prevent aspiration.
Very good.